The Indian government has said that it is well stocked with crude oil and inventories of key products to deal with any short-term disruptions on account of the West Asia war. Remember, there is growing uncertainty on the use of the Strait of Hormuz, a critical shipping route. Sapna joins us now with more details. Sapna, take us through what the government has prepared in terms of a plan B as short-term disruptions pick up.
Well, it's a clear message coming in from government sources, which is basically that there is no need to panic. We are in a reasonably comfortable situation as far as our crude oil stock and gas stocks are concerned. So starting off first with crude oil, given to understand that 25 days of stock is available. Similarly for petroleum products, that is basically petrol and diesel, another 25 days of stock is available. Put together 50-odd days of stock is, is a reasonably comfortable situation as far as the Indian market goes. Similarly, in terms of LNG, given to understand that around 2 to 3 weeks of supplies are there, so not much of a worry on that front. LPG another 25 to 30 odd days. Also given to understand that the disruptions which are ongoing right now, say for example in Saudi Arabia as well as Qatar, well, they may not last for too long. These are temporary situations or other pauses rather than a kind of a permanent closure or a permanent stop, which is not what is being anticipated by government sources here. So that's one. Second, also in terms of the fact, the situation in the Strait of Hormuz, so given to understand that the tankers are basically anchored in the waters of Hormuz. The problem is with the insurance cover, which has been pulled off. There are negotiations which are ongoing right now. So probably in the coming days, there could be some respite or some relief on that front. Last but not the least, also the crude oil prices definitely have been impacted because of all of this. There are estimates doing the rounds in the Indian government, well, that $82 plus per barrel is how the Brent crude could be in the next 10 to 15 odd days, but there's an expectation that it could also come back below 75 odd. But as I just said, we need to take this with a pinch of salt. These are expectations as of now. The situation is very different than what it was in 2022 when it was just between Russia and Ukraine. There are multiple states involved here in the West Asia, and most of the countries are major suppliers of crude oil to India. So keeping all of that in mind, no need to panic, but this is something that we have to keep a watch on.
Sapna, many thanks for joining us.